Hello, aldotjpeg here, and today we're gonna shoot a food vlog. And if you like ice cream, healthy ice cream, and this is the vlog for you. Cue the intro. Hello. If there's ice cream without compensating your health, we shall see. Literally just walked one round, less than 5 minutes, and I am soaked. I guess it's time for ice cream. Oh, hi. Hello, nice to meet you. There's one more friend coming. So, yeah, we'll go upstairs first. Let's go. Fully air conditioned on a hot day. Hello, welcome. Hello, hi. Hello. Nice to meet you. Okay. Hello. One more friend.
Hi.
Kevin. Hi. Chua.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
This is the place. Hi. Hello guys. aldotjpeg here and meet my new friend Kevin. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Kevin. I'm also another macro YouTuber and ready to meet Al for his food review here.
And this is actually our first time meeting, and tell them how we met.
Yeah. It's really funny. I was actually looking through my notification and then I got a comment from Al saying, hey, you know, as a YouTuber, would you like to meet up and hang out? I thought, why not? And then I kind of stalked him on Insta, and then we chatted from there, and I thought, it's time to meet.
Lesson learned, get out of your comfort zone, and just comment nice things. You just might meet another YouTuber.
I know, it's very rare actually.
I wouldn't do it. I never done it before, honestly.
Never done it.
Kevin's the first person I actually meet up with, because normally I'm in my own cave,
Yeah.
my own world, but it's cool.
I think what most people don't know is YouTubers tend to be quite by themselves. They don't really know who to reach out to. So I think it's time to actually connect with one another. Right?
Let's do this.
Yeah.
While Kevin gets his camera, we are going to go through some of the flavors that they have here, and we shall see what they will recommend to us. Hey!
This is very weird. It's like a camera section.
Eat some ice cream. Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Vicky.
Okay, what's your Instagram?
My Instagram? I don't have Instagram.
Really?
Yes, I
No
don't have
way.
Instagram. Because
Sumpah.
I don't like any social media, yes.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
And this is Joycelyn.
Huh?
Hi.
Hello.
Let's go through the flavors.
This is our flavors. 11 flavor we have. And our ice cream is no added sugar, by the way.
No sugar.
Yes.
Fantastic, man. Okay.
So we have this our premium ice cream. We have charcoal. Have you tried before charcoal ice cream?
seen also chocolate ice
Okay,
cream.
the black one. Okay, the black one charcoal. Yeah, matcha series. We have light matcha and matcha. So we mix together with this skim milk. It is very smooth if compared to outside. Yeah, the vanilla that we tried. Yeah.
So how many flavors are you gonna go for? Kevin, what's your favorite flavor, man? Me and Kevin gonna try. This is the
Strawberry.
strawberry.
Try the mango. Our mango.
Ooh, can I try it?
It's light. It's smooth. It is. Oh my god, not too strong.
Yeah, this is quite light
It
actually.
is very natural.
So you mentioned that you use a different thing inside this ice cream compared to others, right?
Yeah, all these ice cream are no added sugar. We use whey powder, protein powder,
Yeah.
and we use skim milk. We don't use cream. We use skim milk, yeah. And that one just now you try the pistachio. Inside there is a pistachio, walnut, and almond.
Wow. That's pretty
Very,
strong.
yeah, very strong.
Very strong.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, can I try that strong one as well?
So this is the original one.
The original, right? Okay, man. So apparently this is the original Japanese matcha.
Matcha.
Okay.
I warned you.
Oh yeah, man.
It's intense.
It is a strong matcha. No wonder you have a light flavor.
Yeah.
So maybe it not be for everyone, but actually it's just a quiet taste, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For matcha lover, they will super love our
Kevin, you're a matcha lover.
Yeah.
I think in this case we go for light.
Like,
Okay, we go for light. Without ado, we're gonna not let these
Melt.
beautiful stuff melt. But it has been really, really hot. I'm dying to try this ice cream now. So, as usual, I'll go for my matcha. The my favorite. Oh, look how smooth that is.
Oh man.
It just literally falls.
Yeah.
Maybe because it's really hot.
I think so too.
Oh, that's really
Light
creamy.
one. Yeah.
Really good. Okay, have a try.
Okay, I'm gonna try the basic matcha. And this is the light matcha, guys.
Oh, you're being such a beauty blogger.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah, it is smooth.
I prefer this one more than the other one.
Yeah. The other one just dark.
Okay, I'm quite surprised at how smooth it is.
It is, it is.
Right. Oh man.
But do you normally eat matcha on a normal basis?
No. But I drink matcha lattes. Yeah. Ice cream, not really.
Yeah. This is a bit confusing because there are actually two cameras here.
Yeah. Yeah, you do you.
So sometimes, sorry guys, I'm looking at this side because my camera is here. So I'm like having a two face. So let us try chocolate.
Oh, again, man.
It's so smooth. Very reminiscent of childhood chocolate. It's rich. The flavor is just so intense. Childhood flavors. Right, that is intense.
It tastes like a very, oh my god, very premium chocolate, honestly. It's not like, it's like a, sort of like a Godiva flavored
Yes,
chocolate.
it does.
A bit atas chocolate. Wow.
Just
I
brings you
actually
back
really
to
like
childhood,
this one.
honestly.
Something nostalgic about this. A familiar taste.
Yeah, it has a
Oh
familiar
yeah.
taste.
It's good. It's really good.
Plain or vanilla.
Vanilla. Okay guys, again I have to show you how smooth it is. Okay, let's get it again. Voila. Your turn. We're gonna do this at the same time, okay?
1, 2, 3.
I'm a vanilla guy.
It's a little bit different. You taste there is a little bit of an extra flavor because it's a different type of milk.
Yes. Actually, right? Get over scoop that. It's really a lot lighter compared to other brands that I've tried before that I'm familiar with.
Yep.
And you can definitely taste there's some sort of a, you know when you get vanilla from the vanilla pod itself?
Yeah.
You get that the aftertaste
Yeah.
of the, I'm gonna try again.
I don't know, it just have like the rich, authentic vanilla flavor.
How is it
How
this good?
there's no sugar in this? How?
Is that good? I think it's very rare to find in KL that the ice cream place that has no sugar added and all authentic flavors from, I mean, they got their ingredients from around the world, like matcha from Japan and the chocolate from Italy or something like that, and the berries from Australia.
Yes.
So we're international in one spot.
Oh man. What is your verdict?
Verdict is, out of these three flavors,
Which you like the most?
this is gonna surprise myself because I actually like the chocolate the most. Out of all these.
Oh, you do. Okay, be honest. Matcha,
Matcha.
8 out of 10.
It's really high, man.
Yeah, chocolate. 7? I don't know about the vanilla. Okay, the least, for me, the least interesting flavor, I think about 6.
Okay.
Up to you.
My favorite is definitely the chocolate. So I'm gonna give the chocolate 8.5.
Wow, you're very generous.
Quite, it's delicious, man. Matcha, a 7
7.
for the matcha.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
sorry, matcha guy.
Okay, for a person who doesn't like matcha, you're also quite generous.
And again, I think I share the same verdict as you. Probably the least favorite out of these three
Yeah.
is the vanilla. I'm not sure why. It's not that it's not nice, but it's different than what I'm used to, maybe. As you can tell from all my seeds, it's all from sugar, guys, so don't eat too much sugar. So this place, if you want ice cream without compensating your health, Whey Chillin is the place to go. Keith has a different opinion than me and Kev.
Please do tell everyone.
Keith
what you think.
likes the vanilla the most. How come, huh? I think it's another acquired
It
taste.
takes. I've tasted so many different kinds of vanilla, and this one is pretty much hits the spot. You have the fake kind of vanilla. You have like the
Do you realize at the end there's some that spiciness of the the vanilla pods kind of thing?
yeah.
Kan?
You have there's more to it than just vanilla.
No, continue.
So, it's nice.
Whey Chillin is the way to
We're gonna continue chilling.
Oh, these are the ice cream cakes. Yeah.
Lovers, ice cream lovers, why choose when you can have both?
Yeah, this is what we're looking for
Oh,
all
yeah,
our
it
lives. Voila, the mango ice cream cake. Limited time only. Bit of muscle there. First impression.
I definitely taste mango. It's creamy. It has a, like I said, that milk flavor that comes through.
The skim milk, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not icy at all. There's no ice shards in it. It's completely smooth. The flavor is a bit light. It doesn't have a strong lingering flavor, so that's good if you're not really a crazy cake person. But overall, it is quite light and refreshing.
Mango ice cream cake. Right,
This is our
muscle there.
mango. It's slightly melting. And what do you think?
Dude, I love this cake. It's light, and you don't taste that any artificial, you know, additive kind of mango. You can taste it like an authentic mango, and it's again high in protein. You can taste the smoothness, the creaminess, and it's exactly what you said. It's not icy at all. You cannot taste any of the ice bits.
Shards.
Yeah, the shards. And so, oh my god, it's really good.
Yeah,
This
alright,
is
this
the
is-
homemade.
Yeah, this is the sandwich ice cream. Which ice cream sandwiched by the homemade chocolate
Cookies.
chip cookies.
That is so lovely. That looks so cute.
Yeah, that there is a 3 flavor: vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry.
Wow. Okay, let's try.
Oh, then you just eat.
I'm
one.
gonna bite it.
Then
I'm,
just take one.
I'm gonna take vanilla.
Just take your own then.
Okay, I'll pick the.
Dun, 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 the Trinity.
Yeah. That's a very good word. The trinity of ice cream sandwiches.
Yes, I'm going for the vanilla. Keith's going for the chocolate.
Chocolate.
Kevin's gonna go for the.
strawberry.
Cheers. Yes. Oh, I got.
So it's like a literal ice cream sandwich. It's huge. I think it's frozen solid. I can't eat this in one bite.
No, I couldn't bite it.
My god.
Oh my god.
Look, mine is like bulging out.
Oh my god.
Mine is bulging out. See? Like wet.
I don't know how Keith ate it. Damn. Got a big mouth, man. Cookies and ice cream is always a good combination for me. Two of my favorite things in the world. Homemade cookies. They blessed us with ice cream bites. This is so cute, man. Oh my god. I thought it was chocolate bars at first.
Watching it melt slowly. And when once it reaches like a shiny look, that's when you know you can eat it. Right now it's still a bit matte.
Okay. That's a good tip, man. How much sugar can you eat in one day?
Yes.
I believe this must be chocolate. Let's go for it. I'm gonna put the whole thing in my mouth.
Okay, keep.
Oh my god.
It's still not.
Yeah, eat the whole thing. It's melting inside already.
Oh, it's just a shell.
Ice cream bite. Oh my god. Delicious.
Very cold. tastes like Nutella a little bit. Hazelnut Nutella. It's very tasty though. I really recommend trying this thing.
These are the tubs. Oh my
Yeah.
god. Is
So-
it all locally packaged?
Yes.
Fantastic.
And it's all locally produced downstairs in our kitchen.
I see.
Yeah.
So you have your own like mini factory down
yes,
there?
Yes, a mini
Okay.
kitchen to produce all this.
That's
in,
so cool.
Small batches, so we make sure they are fresh and
And it's, I think it's a perfect size for one serving.
yeah. And if you see, per serving the calories is about just 90.
90 calories.
Yes.
And now we're gonna have a look at their kitchen and we're gonna check out their process of actually packaging. And I don't know if they have a mini factory downstairs. So me and Kevin are gonna go check it out. Right.
It's gonna be a sugar-free cow downstairs.
It's so cool. Thank you. Alright. This is Screen Doctors. Okay, so this is very nice.
It reminds me of the cafeteria lady.
And your healthy ice cream starts here. Here we go. Ooh. I have no idea what to expect. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Wow.
And then this is the last freezer. After the ice cream is thawed, we'll put it here to let it become frozen, to freeze the ice cream.
Right.
And then after the ice cream has been frozen, we will put them in the freezer here. The
So
one
you
on
make it right here, package it here, store it here.
Yeah.
All in one place.
Yes.
So how long does it take to like mix an ice cream batch?
A batch, like we can make few trays, different flavor per day.
Per day.
Per day.
Few
yes.
trays.
Few
Wow.
trays.
Daily.
Yeah, the showcase ice cream showcase you see just now is
This is how it looks
considered
like.
one tray.
Oh.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Look at that.
This
So
is all made
you
today.
freeze the ice cream
Yeah.
within seconds.
Seconds.
Seconds?
Yes.
So,
So this is the
Kevin, you
fast
wanna go
freezer.
in?
So the temperature it has to go to all the way negative 30 something.
Celsius.
Yes.
Wow. So anything in there is gonna be instantly frozen.
Yes.
Instantly in seconds.
Do you
So,
want to build a snowman?
oh my god, heroes behind the delicious cakes and everything else.
Yeah.
Thank you, we love
Thank
it.
you so much. Thank
We'll
you so
definitely
much.
come here again. So, if you do not want to come by the cafe itself, which is upstairs, there's actually like a small mini stall which you can actually just pass by and want to go. So yeah,
We are high on
for
sugar.
today, we are high on like non-sugar. I don't know what they call it, high on desserts. It's amazing. You guys are amazing. We'll come again. Hey, where's our friend? One more. Thank you. Amazing. Fantastic. Wow. Oh yeah. Kongsi Pandai. Enjoy your holiday. By the way, Whey Chillin has the best customer service. They treated us so nice and they actually paid for everything. We are not sponsored, but they decided to pay for all the dishes and
It is
everything. that we ordered.
mind blowing actually. I didn't know what to expect.
Yeah, I was going to the cashier and she was like, oh no, it's on the board.
Yeah. Oh, it's a card.
Oh, let's not die, Kevin.
Yeah, let's not die.
So we're just gonna have a stroll around here, maybe take some pictures. And yeah, that was fantastic. Do come by, I put all the description, all those good stuff in the description box. Okay, let's have a stroll. So it's a pleasure to meet Kevin. Do follow his channel, subscribe, all the good stuff, and
Follow
maybe
him too.
all the good stuff. And thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Bye guys.
Bye.